saving and investing, building a strong financial future. Welcome back to our financial management series. In this episode, we'll be discussing the importance of saving and investing, the different types of investment accounts available, and how to create an investment portfolio that works for you. Saving and investing are key components of financial management. By saving money, you're able to build an emergency fund that can help you weather unexpected financial challenges, while investing your money can help it grow and work for you over the long term. There are several types of investment accounts available, including 401k, individual retirement accounts, and brokerage accounts. 401k and individual retirement accounts are tax-advantaged accounts that offer several benefits, including tax savings and employer matching contributions. Brokerage accounts, on the other hand, offer more flexibility and investment options. When creating an investment portfolio, it's important to consider your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A well-diversified portfolio can help you achieve your goals while managing risk. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, among other options. It's also important to keep in mind that investing is a long-term strategy. You'll need to be patient and disciplined, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Saving and investing are key components of financial management. By understanding the different types of investment accounts available and creating a well-diversified investment portfolio, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and building a strong financial future. We hope this episode has been helpful. And if you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on financial management. In the next episode, we'll be discussing the importance of managing debt and strategies for paying it off. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.